In this video, we're going to look into how you can get the favicon of any website from their URL inside Webflow. Now, this can make your outbound links more recognizable and obviously visually more appealing. What I will also show you is how to connect this into your CMS items using the HTML embed element. So let's get started. I will start by adding an embed element into my canvas and pasting this HTML code in here. You can also find this code in the description. These favicons are actually coming from nowhere other than Google itself. So we will need this link from Google, and we'll be adding the link of the website we want to call this favicon at the very end of it. Now, if we give a try, you can see that it will bring up the favicon instantly. In order to set the size of the favicon we are receiving, because it might differ sometimes, we are going to be adding this parameter at the very end of our link as well. And now the size of favicon we are receiving is always going to be 32 by 32 pixels. I would suggest to scale this icon down by 2 times to make it crystal sharp for retina screens and not to get a negative impact on your lighthouse score. So that would be 16 by 16 instead of 32 by 32. If you also get this weird padding issues, you can also double set the paddings to 0, or you can try to flex align your icon. So now it's fixed. One more tip before we move on to CMS part is that always add alt text into your images for accessibility reasons. Here I would say Google and then favicon. How to use this inside CMS items is pretty straightforward with you're basically making the link field in your HTML embed dynamic. I would also suggest that we make the alt text dynamic as well. This is it from me for this video and hope to see you on the next one.